So let me guess, Pinterest is ruining your wedding planning business. Well, if you have clients who continuously come to you with their massive Pinterest board and no clue about what it takes, the process, or the budget on how to actually achieve those weddings, listen up because I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to manage those situations and turn a negative into a positive. Hi, I'm Jody Ann Rowe, founder of the Event Certificate, and I work with event planners and wedding planners to help them generate more leads online. So, if Pinterest is becoming the source of your biggest problem with your clients, I want to give you three strategies and exactly how to fix it. So, your clients are on Pinterest even before they met you, and they're pinning everything, they're getting inspiration, they're seeing everything they want, and they're putting it all together. So, when they hire you, what they come to you with are these massive Pinterest boards that are well beyond their reach and their budget. So a lot of times as wedding planners, you probably start getting a little frustrated because your client's vision is very different from the reality of what you can provide for them. So what I want you to do is I want you to follow these steps the next time that it happens. So the first thing I want you to do is I actually want you to encourage your clients to use Pinterest. Now, listen up. So, when your clients are coming to you and they're using Pinterest and they already have the Pinterest board, the last thing I actually want you to do is to discourage them from using it. In fact, encourage them to continue using Pinterest because at least this gives you more insight into what they're looking for. So, encourage them to use it, encourage them to share their boards because it's going to lead me to tip number two. Tip number two, I actually want you to work with the clients and set some boundaries for Pinterest. So, what do I mean by that? So, your clients will probably be pinning everything and anything that they like. And sometimes these are probably different styles, different themes. They're all over the place. Now, don't get me wrong, there are some clients that will stay pretty consistent, but I want you to work with the clients and give them some guidelines. So, say to them, create different boards, like create a board for your reception, a board for the actual ceremony, create different boards and give them some guidelines to stay on theme, on trend, so that they're not just pinning random images and random items. So give them some guidelines to ensure that when you're working with them, you're working together in a very easier way because it can streamline the process and they can understand where you're thinking, what you're trying to do, and you can better understand what they actually want done for their day. Now, tip number three is going to be the big one because tip number three, I actually want you to take this as a moment to educate your clients. So, your clients are excited. This is their wedding. I don't want you to forget that. So, what I want you to do is take this as an opportunity to educate them. So, when you look at the port boards that they've created and you go over everything, try to pull together some of the images and educate them. Tell them how much it would cost to make this picture a reality. Break down the items for them, break down the floral arrangements, the decor, the lighting, break everything down so that they have a more realistic idea of what everything will cost in terms of not just the money, but also show them the time. This will allow your clients to be better able to see exactly what you're seeing when you're frustrated by their massive Pinterest boards, right? So that's what I want you to do to help manage these situations. And I promise you, if you're doing tip number one, two, three with your clients who are coming in with these giant Pinterest boards and no idea of what it actually takes to put it together, you're about to see a difference. Now, if you have any questions, of course, drop them below and I'm happy to answer them for you.